welcome back to TechWise. If you've ever experienced the frustrating issue where a window opens completely off screen and you just can't seem to drag it back into your main monitor, keep watching because I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix it. First, head down to your taskbar and let's hover over the icon of the application that is stuck off screen. Once the thumbnail preview pops up, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and right-click on the preview icon. From the context menu that appears, let's click on Move. Then press any arrow key on your keyboard just once. This safely locks the off-screen window directly to your mouse cursor. Now, without clicking anything, simply move your mouse around and you'll see the lost window slide right back into your main screen. Once it's fully visible and where you want it, click your left mouse button to drop it into place. And from there, you can maximize it or rescale it normally. Hope that was useful. Let me know in the comments if this brought your windows back. And as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.